Hey guys, me Wolfie here, and Mystic wanted me to react to a video. Also, if you hear my cat, if you hear my cat in the background, she's meowing outside the door, and I don't know when she's going to shut up. So I'm going to read the description. I always read the description first. Okay, I like this song too much. Plus, it's pretty close to Lily, Wolfie and mine's relationship in real life. We're pretty close and consider each other sisters. Yep. And then it's also close to Mystic and Wolfie's relationship since they're both immortal and decided to stay together when everyone else they love is dead. I still don't know if Amaris is immortal, so I'm not going to say anything because I've been procrastinating on asking her if Amaris was immortal. So I'm just going to start this now. I got scared. I know this song.
To fly away and the other just so close from that wire. He says he wants to as well, but he is a liar. I'll believe it all. There's nothing I won't understand.
Mystic, no. Mood.
The sky is overcast, and I'm sorry. One more or one less, nobody's worried. I'll believe.
I hate how it's actually fit. Oh my god! I hate this. Mystic, you're good at picking songs that fit. Aww, this is adorable. I remember this outfit. I created that outfit for Mystic's Alone series. Oh, Nova, I know her. Kind of. From Gabby's video. Yep. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no!
On a wire.
Oh no! I hate you! Why do you do this? Damn it, Mystic! Why do you do this? I hate you. I'm actually laughing so much at my shock that I'm crying. Like, it's not even sad tears, I'm just like laughing at the shock of this. I hate you. You told me I wasn't gonna like this ending, you were right. Why do you do this? Okay, I guess I should just actually get this uploaded, so peace out, Wolfie out, bye.